Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya Sidegigcrafts. You guys, I have this finished journal. Finally, she's done. This is the gardening journal that we have begun together. And I have finished it. It's got this soft cover on it. I love this thing. This is approximately the journal part. The pages are about 7 inches by, I can't remember, 7 by 9.5 approximately. And this one has room to grow with the soft covered journal because it is made with this beautiful fabric sewn all the way around. There's some lace here. This is actually not tacked down, so something could be tucked here if desired. This is actually secured very securely. Open it up and you can see this just wraps around. So there's plenty extra room here so that if this gets more in it, you can still close it. Even if my arm was part of the journal, you'd still have plenty of room to close it. So there's never a gator mouth with that. And here we go. This is going to be a fun one. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I had so much fun making it. We've got guest checks in here and some different ephemera, some homemade tags, different things that can be used throughout the journal. And we've got the second page here. This is a fabric piece, a quilted fabric piece. And some more ephemera, vintage ephemera, some doilies, some decorative, a tag here. So lots of room to add your own touches in this journal. It's just clipped on here on some music paper, some stenciling, some antique wallpaper. Should say vintage. I don't know that it's antique. Lots and lots of places to add beautiful things in here. Got a nice tag and a journaling spot there. This is a program for 1965. This was an authentic piece. From Southern Meadows Garden. I think it's actually a catalog. Another pocket here. We've got a hidden paper clip, a vintage photo of somebody's garden, some tulips, looks like. We've got lots of ephemera in here and some writing space, coffee dyed papers. This one's really cool. You can feel the texture in it. Got an up tuck there. This is a pocket, and there's a little journal in here. And there's a pocket here, and a pocket here. And then on this side, this clips it shut. But there's another journal, little journal here. This is removable, so once these pages are finished, they can be removed and replaced by this elastic band. That's a little additional little journaling space there, or a take-along notebook that can go back in the pocket. Where'd that pocket go? Right here. Oops, the tab goes up. So that just tucks right into that pocket. There's a handmade tag there. Another pocket here. We've got some ephemera and a writing card. I don't think I meant to tuck that in there, but it worked. You can put whatever you want in there. This beautiful pocket. Lots of pages to do your thing on. These have tabs, fabric tabs on them. Some beautiful flowers. Got vintage book page, receipts, some extra tags. Some envelope for some little goodies that are in there. Tag. stuck in just a little bit. This writing space on the back. And the tags. And a pocket here with some goodies inside. What would you add to this journal? There's a little tuck there, and then when you open it up, there's some more space there for pictures or what have you. So make a really nice Christmas gift for someone who loves vintage and gardening and just all the things. There's underneath this lace, a belly band. There's some different papers and things to work with. There's some envelopes here that can be used throughout the journal or for little notes or secret little hiding places. Got another pocket here with the recipe cards and journaling spots. Fabric tab on that one. I mean, these are little open little tuck spots that can be journaled on, or pictures can be added there. Some notes and different papers here. Some little bees. Some book page. This is also a little tuck. I'm going to tuck something there. There's a pocket on this side. Some book page. Lots and lots of pages. Tag. Some more papers. Some ephemera. This is an antique. This one, I believe, is antique. Postcard in there. Some more tags and papers that can be used. I'll go back in there. Another pocket. This one is waiting for a home. So as you see this has already been posted in my Etsy and my Ko-Fi. So if you're interested, you can go check them out there. This was just a writing spot there. And these are little cards that I thought that went well in that pocket. That's actually a vintage playing card. And then there's a little pocket here. And this is a tuck as well. So you can tuck something up and that'll hold it there. There you go. There's the last page with some goodies in there. Oh, and this page has some tucks and things there too. There you go. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, if you're interested, go check out my Etsy or Ko-Fi. I'll have the links in the description box for you to find them easily. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful one. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.